You got a brand new Galaxy Watch and now you are waiting for a user manual or complete beginner's guide how to set up, use and customize some basic settings on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. So we are here to walk you through that. After unboxing, first press on this power button and turn on your watch. Now you need to set up your watch via the Wearable app that you need to download on your Android phone. If you get a pop-up on your Android phone, you can set it up your watch from there. If you don't get a pop-up, swipe up your watch and select the language. And after that, enter the Wearable app. Now confirm the numbers on both of the devices. And then all you have to do is just follow the on-screen prompts one after another, like software download, different types of accounts, sign-ins, and all other settings that are customized right now according to your own comfort and preferences. Now after setup, this is your watch face or home screen. On your watch face, if you swipe from left, it will open up your app notifications and recommendations sections. Talking about app, if you swipe from the bottom of your watch screen, this will open up the app screen with all the pre-downloaded apps. You can download more apps from Play Store if you are logged into it with your Google account. You can also access your watch's settings from here. If you swipe from right from your watch face, you can set targets and measure activities like walking, running, heart rate, sleep tracking, BP, etc. You can add more tiles to your choice by tapping on this plus sign. If you swipe down your watch face, it will open sleep mode, power off menu, AOD, brightness and sound settings, power saving, water lock, and Bluetooth devices to name a few. You can add and remove anything to or from this list. Apart from the app screen settings I've shown you, you can also visit settings from here. This will open up your Samsung account, you can log into it, connections, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and stuff, sleep or theater mode if you want to add it, different types of app and recommendation notifications, sounds and vibration settings on your watch display settings like font size and style, and the overall display customization. You can do this from here. You can check out the Samsung Health settings. You can set up lock screen pin or pattern from security and privacy, enable location, turn on SOS services from safety and emergency, add Google and other accounts from here, also from Google. Check out power saving and battery settings from battery and device care. App settings and lists, the apps that's downloaded to your watch. Change your watch orientation, transfer your watch to another device, or hard reset your watch from general. Some other visibility and hearing enhancement features and other settings from accessibility. Get the software update, tips and tutorial, and also information about your watch. If you're using a watch with Bezel, anti-clockwise turn will take you up, and the clockwise turn will take you down. Otherwise, you can just scroll up and down. Talking about Bezel, there are two buttons on your watch. One is the back button. You can press on it to go to the previous part. Another button, you can call it the power button or home button. It will take you straight to your watch face. Lastly, you can change the watch face from your watch. Just tap and hold, customize the current watch face, or swipe left, tap on add watch face. Scroll to all the watch faces that's available in here. Select and customize any type of watch face according to own preference and comfort. And whenever you need to charge your watch, connect it with the magnetic charger that came with your watch, and we recommend you to use a Samsung approved power adapter for the purpose. Now these are not all, there are a lot of functions, settings and features, but these are all the basic functions that I've shown you that you need to know right after you set up your watch. And while using your watch, if you face any problem or any trouble, we have an entire playlist of Galaxy Watch 6 Classic waiting for you to explore. See you at our next video. Thanks for watching.